Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on this device. Alright, so to do this, first you have to open Google Photos app, and now right here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit, for example this one. And now we have to click on this edit button on the bottom. Right here I have suggestions from Google like dynamic and change or warm. Here we can crop the photo or rotate it like this. Here we have some tools like blur, unblur or magic eraser. We can adjust brightness, contrast, HDR effect, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen, the noise and vignette. Here we can put on some filters. We can mark up the photo with big pen, highlighter, or write something on it. So I don't know, maybe dark because it's starting game right here on the photo. And now we can save it as a copy. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!